lads, going to be doing a video of how you can change the rear wheel hub on the Astra G Mark IV. So if it's making that noise, you'll be able to hear it when you're driving as well, especially around corners. It will sound like a skateboard or something going over concrete. So we're just going to do that, lads. First thing is obviously just jack the car up, get it nice and safe on axle stands, whip the wheel off, and you want to be getting yourself a T30 for this little thing here. And just put that somewhere secure. What you want to do, lads, is take the handbrake off, and then what you can do is just loosen the handbrake. What you can do, lads, is just pull it off. It can be quite stiff, so just take your time, lads, it will come off. Yeah, that's gone there, lads. Right, and this is held in by 4 number 16s here. So what you want to do is get some WD-40 on them, because these are pretty rusted. Get a wire brush and give them a good going over before you attempt to get them off. What I want to do, boys, is just crack all them off. Or you take all them bolts out at the back. What you want to do is just support the bottom of the brake club here on a jack or piece of timber or anything, because when you take them off, this whole thing's gonna come loose. What you want to do then, boys, is just get rid of all them. When them bolts are out, this is going to be stiff, so just whack it, give it a few whacks. And then that'll just pop off like that. And if you can, boys, just get a quick clean out with a wire brush. Just so when you put the new one in, you ain't got no crap behind any of these bits here. Right, then you can just get your new one. Offer it into place. Alright, so I've tightened all these down now. And the torque settings are, if you're interested, is 50 Newton meters, angle tighten 30, angle tighten 15. And what you can do is just get your T30 back in there. Don't forget to readjust your handbrake, lads, if you've taken it off and adjusted the mechanism on it. Well guys, so just whack the wheel back on. And that there, guys, is job done. So I hope this has helped somebody out. Cheers lads, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Cheers guys.